One of the best tools available in the color management section is quite possibly the Manage Color Settings feature. The Manage Color Settings feature lets you save all your image color adjustment settings. This feature saves you time, effort, and stress by removing the need to repeat the same image color adjustments. If you have performed special changes to an image for one customer, then you can save these changes for when they return. A great tip for using the Manage Color Settings feature is by saving the original settings of the image without any changes made to the image. The reason for this is that if you have made several changes to your image and you would like to start from the beginning, then importing this file resets the image back to its original form. Let's take a look and see how the Manage Color Settings feature works. To begin, let's save the color adjustments which we have made so far. Click the Manage Color Settings, then click Save Actual Color Settings. The next window to appear is the Manage Color Settings window. This is where we name our color adjustment setting and add a small description of what these changes are. Click Save once you have filled out these fields. Click the Manage Color Settings drop-down menu and choose Load Color Settings. The next window to appear is the Manage Color Settings list. This is where all your color adjustment settings are stored. All saved color adjustment settings are saved within the Manage Color Settings list forever. This window can only be accessed from step 3 of the color management window. Clicking on a color adjustment file in the list activates the description field on the right hand side of the window. The only way to remove all the settings is by choosing the settings which you would like to remove from the list, at which point the delete button becomes active and you can click delete. Let's return to the color management window and begin removing each adjustment until we are back to the original image. I am showing you this because the process of removing color adjustment settings is manual. If we saved the original settings before we started, then we would simply load this setting and revert back to the original image. Once this is complete, we will go ahead and save these settings as the original file. Let's name this file Reset. Now that we have saved the settings, let's add the previous color adjustments by loading the Saved Color Adjustment Settings file. Click the Manage Color Settings drop-down menu and choose Load Color Settings. In the Color Settings list, choose the adjustment with all the color changes. Click Select to apply the color adjustment settings to our image. Now we can see that all the adjustments which we made at the beginning of this video have returned. We can remove these settings by loading the Reset Color Adjustment setting which we saved previously. To do this, click the Manage Color Settings drop-down menu and choose Load Color Settings. In the Color Settings list, choose the Reset Color Settings option. Click Select to apply the color adjustment setting to our image. Now we are back to the original image.